Hello everyone, my name is Xander, and welcome to a quick audio recording tutorial for Audacity. The purpose of this video is to show you how to record voiceovers using almost any microphone and to enhance the quality of your audio recording. In case you didn't know, Audacity is a free and open source app for recording and editing audio, available for macOS, Windows, and Linux. You can find a link to the Audacity app in the description below. In this video, I am using Audacity 2.1.3 on macOS Sierra, but you should be able to follow the same steps using most versions of Audacity on any of the supported operating systems. Let's get started. To record a voiceover using Audacity, you will need a microphone. Any compatible microphone will do, whether built-in or standalone, but the quality of your audio recording will depend on the quality of the recording device used in the process. In this video, I'll be using an old webcam's microphone to record my voice. I chose this device because it offers fairly good audio while also generating some noise, which I'll show you how to remove using one of Audacity's built-in plugins. In case you're interested, the link to the webcam will be in the description below. Usually Audacity will let you record audio in either mono or stereo mode. Because this webcam only has a mono microphone, I'll just go with a mono channel. As a side note, recording in mono will use less storage space compared to a stereo recording and will also take less time to process. After you finish choosing your recording device and channel settings, there's one more thing you should do. Change the recording volume to a value lower than 100%. Make sure it's high enough for the microphone to clearly pick up your voice, but low enough to not pick up too much noise or static. Once you're done, go ahead and click on the record button or hit the R key on your keyboard to start recording. You'll see a waveform appear on your screen. This is the sound of your voice in visual form. Congratulations! You can now hear with your eyes. I'm just kidding. Click on the stop button or hit the spacebar on your keyboard to stop recording. Easy enough, isn't it? Alright, let's try this one more time with a quote from H.P. Lovecraft. The oldest and strongest emotion of mankind is fear, and the oldest and strongest kind of fear is fear of the unknown. Let's listen to our new recording. The oldest and strongest emotion of mankind is fear, and the oldest and strongest kind of fear is fear of the unknown. So you can understand what's being said, but the volume is a bit low and there's also some static on top of everything. Let's fix that. First things first, we want to get rid of the noise. Select a portion of your recording that's supposed to be silent. I like to leave a few seconds of silence at the end of the recording just for this purpose. With the silence segment still selected, go to Effect in the menu bar and choose Noise Reduction. Click on the Get Noise Profile button and the window will close by itself. Next, select your entire recording by clicking on the track header. Go to the menu bar and once again choose Effect and then Noise Reduction. You can use the default settings or tweak your own while using the Preview button to compare results. Click on the OK button when you're satisfied. Let's listen to our recording once more. The oldest and strongest emotion of mankind is fear, and the oldest and strongest kind of fear is fear of the unknown. The noise is gone, but our voiceover is still too soft or maybe too loud depending on your settings. We can fix this by normalizing our recording. Again, make sure the entire recording is selected by clicking on the track header. Go to the menu bar and open the Effect menu, then choose Normalize. Make sure the first two checkboxes are selected. I like to set a maximum amplitude of -2 decibels because I find it gives me enough room to play with later on. Remember, you can preview the changes using the Preview button. Click on the OK button when you're ready. Let's listen again. The oldest and strongest emotion of mankind is fear, and the oldest and strongest kind of fear is fear of the unknown. Alright, so we got rid of the static and got our recording to an acceptable volume. You can stop here and export your recording, or you can go further and make the audio sound even better. Make sure the entire recording is selected by clicking on the track header once again. Go to the menu bar and from the Effect menu, choose Compressor. What a compressor does is it reduces the volume of loud sounds or amplifies quiet sounds in your recording, thus reducing or compressing the recording's dynamic range. You can use the default settings or tweak your own, and remember, you can also use the preview button to listen to your changes. Click on the OK button when you're done. Let's listen to our recording. The oldest and strongest emotion of mankind is fear, and the oldest and strongest kind of fear is fear of the unknown. By normalizing and compressing your recording, you might have generated a bit more static. Remove it by reapplying the noise reduction effect. Let's listen one more time. The oldest and strongest emotion of mankind is fear, and the oldest and strongest kind of fear is fear of the unknown. Alright, now our voiceover is ready. Let's export it to a file. From the menu bar, open the File menu and choose Export Audio. You can also choose Export Selected Audio if you only wish to export a clip of your project. Give your file a suggestive name and choose the save location. Since I mainly use Apple software to edit my videos, I go with the AIFF audio file format for my voiceover exports, but you can choose whatever format is compatible with your needs. Click on the Save button when you're ready. Then click OK. You can now open your new voiceover file in your favorite media player or import it in your video editor. And now you know how to record and enhance the quality of your voiceovers using the Audacity app. If you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos and follow me on Twitter at ZanderPixels. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.